In this video, we're going to be learning how to use ChatGPT in our Kali Linux terminal completely free. Whether you want to write code, execute shell commands, or even generate an image, you can do it all from the terminal. So let's see how to set this up on Kali Linux. This video is for educational purposes only. Please use TGPT and Kali Linux responsibly. I do not encourage or support any illegal activities. First, let's quickly talk about TGPT. TGPT is a command line tool that allows you to interact with ChatGPT directly inside your terminal. That means no switching tabs, no distractions. Everything happens right from Kali Linux. Before we install TGPT, it's always a good idea to update our system. So in your terminal, type sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade, and press enter. This makes sure everything is up to date. Now let's install TGPT. First of all, go to web browser and click on it. On the search bar, type TGPT GitHub and press enter. Make sure to click on this exact link. This will take you exactly to this GitHub page. Scroll down and click on code right here. Now copy this link and head back to your terminal. On your terminal, type git clone and paste the link you copied right here and press enter to clone this to your local machine. Once this is done, type cd tgpt to go inside the directory. Type the ls command to list the files inside this directory. Now what we want is this install file right here. Now type sudo /install. Oops, we run into an error, and this is normal because we haven't given this file an execute permission. We can check this by typing this command, ls-l. As you can see, this only has the read and write permissions only. To give this file an execute permission, we need to type chmod + x followed by the name of the file, which is install, and press enter, and that's it. Now type sudo /install. Wait for it to download. Now you have successfully installed TGPT on your system. Now let's learn how to use it. You can use TGPT for many things: writing code, executing commands, or even asking it to explain hacking concepts. For example, TGPT, explain what map is used for, and it will give you an instant explanation. You can type TGPT-H for help. This will show you how to use this tool. TGPT can be used to write code, generate images, and more. We'll try to generate image with TGPT in a second. First, let's try this. I'll just type a simple question for TGPT. To do this, you'll type TGPT followed by double quotes, and you type whatever you want to search and end it with a double quotes and press enter. As you can see, it generated the answer in the terminal, and this is completely free. Secondly, let's try to generate an image with TGPT. To do this, type this command. First, start with TGPT, followed by double hyphens, and type img, and follow that with double quotes, and type whatever you want it to generate and close that with double quotes and press enter. So here is my AI-generated cat with TGPT. To view this, go back to your TGPT directory, but I'm already in the directory, so I'll just type the ls command. This is the image TGPT generated. To view this, you can type the display command followed by the name of the image and press enter. So this is my AI-generated cat by TGPT. And that's it. You now have ChatGPT running inside your Kali Linux terminal with TGPT. This is a powerful tool for developers, hackers, and cybersecurity learners. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me the first command you'll try with TGPT. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.